I don't think that passenger seat has ever looked this good to me. He tells me about his night, and I count the colors in his eyes. He'll never fall in love, he swears as he runs his fingers through his hair. I'm laughing cause I hope he's wrong, and I don't think it ever crossed his mind. He tells a joke, I fake a smile, and I know all his favorite songs. And I could tell you his favorite color's green. He loves to argue, born on the 17th. His sister's beautiful, he has his father's eyes. Maybe you ask me if I love him, I lie.